students, how are you students? Yesterday I explained the first part of the lesson, A Triumph of Surgery, and in that part I was telling you that Mrs. Pumphrey was giving the description of Tricky's health when she met Mr. Harriet. Now I am going to explain the second part of the lesson. And did you cut down on the sweet things as I told you? While Miss Pumphrey was giving the description of Tricky's health to Mr. Harriet, he asked her if she had decreased the quantity of sweet in Tricky's food as he instructed her when he met her at first. Students, before that Mr. Harriet met Miss Pumphrey, and after observing the fatness in Tricky, he advised her to decrease the quantity of sweet in Tricky's food. That is why he was asking, "Oh, I did for a bit, but he seemed to be so weak. I had to relent." And Miss Pumphrey answered that she had decreased the quantity of sweet, decreased a little quantity of sweet in Tricky's food. But after that, he seemed to be so weak. That is why she had to be sympathetic before him and started giving the same quantity of sweet to him. He does love cream cakes and chocolates so. And she also said, Mr. Harriet, that Tricky loved cream cakes and chocolates. I cannot bear to refuse him. That is why it was impossible for her to stop giving these type of things. I looked down again at the little dog. That was the trouble. And Mr. Harriet again looked at the little dog and said to himself that that was the problem for Tricky. Tricky's only fault was greed, and Tricky's only fault was greed. He was a very greedy dog. He had never been known to refuse food, and he never refused to eat food. Whenever food was given to him, he used to eat. Even after a meal, even after taking a meal, even after lunch, even after dinner, and any time of the day or night, he accepted to eat the food. He would tackle a meal at any hour of the day or night. And I wondered about all the things Miss Pumphrey had not mentioned. And he was surprised that Miss Pumphrey had not mentioned all the things. Are you giving him plenty of exercise? And Mr. Harriet again asked her if she was giving Tricky enough exercise. Well, he has his little walks with me, as you can see. Then Mrs. Pumphrey answered, Tricky had his little walks with her, as Mr. Harriet could see. But Hodgkin the gardener has been down with lumbago, so there has been no ring throwing lately. Tricky used to do exercise of ring throwing with the gardener Hodgkin, but Hodgkin the gardener had been suffering from the pain at the lower part of the back. That is why, in absence of Hodgkin, Tricky was not doing any exercise. Now students, I think you will have understood the meaning of this part of the lesson very well, and now request you to read and write the explanation which I will provide in written, and tomorrow I will explain the next part of the lesson. Thank you and have a nice day.